Hello there. Today I'm looking at February's Papergang by Odie, and it's looking a bit Valentine's Day, so I'm sorry I didn't get this out before Valentine's Day because I'm well organised like that. Let's have a look at what we've got. I'm hoping there's tigers. I have a feeling there may be tigers. I'm not sure what gives me the impression that there might be tigers. There's also love hearts, but you know, you can't have everything. Tigers are cool. Ooh, Papergang by Oh Dear. Oh look, so this one is Millie Amber designed this one. Let's have a look what goodies we have inside the box of stuff. Ooh. We have a triangle of cardboard. Oh, please tell me I think what I've got. Oh, this is gonna be cool. Oh wow, look at those. Ooh, those are rather sexy. Look at that. Can you see that? You've got the little rubber rings there. It's got a very sort of, I don't know, almost brutalist look. I love that. Look at those, they're so aesthetic. I just look at those today. Spend the whole day looking at them. Very nice. Pair of scissors there. We have also, to go with the scissors, a nice shiny gold pair of scissors and a nice shiny gold pencil sharpener. I'm already very excited by this box, so to speak. And we have got here a 3 pencils. One that says I'm unpredictable. If you can you see that? I'm unpredictable. I'm unpredictable. This one says I'm confident. Yeah, I wish. And this one says I'm a tiger. To be fair, I am. I suppose this month is Year of the Tiger, Valentine's Day. So what more could you want? Lovely notebook. Lovely pages of notes. All the notes. Whoa, what's this? Oh, please. Oh my gosh. Do you remember these when you were a kid? The fake tattoos and that? That's so cute. Look at them. Look at them, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy about this box. This is just the right thing to cheer me up. And what's in here? It's a nice little red baggie. Oh, it's got a little bit of embroidery on it, little flower embroidery. Ooh, what's in here? It's very strange. Feels strange. Small bag, chonky fingers. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one's already attached. Oh, nice. Bulldog clips. I've got you now. I shall fight with you. It's like the Monkey King's staff, this one. To be fair, I am a tiger. I am a tiger. My Chinese birth sign is the tiger, so this is totally appropriate. Although this is a water tiger, and evidently I'm a wooden tiger, and I don't know what that means, but I'm sure someone can tell me. But I think this is possibly my favourite box for some time. You've got the cool scissors. You got the cool pencil sharpener. Pencil sharpeners, you never have too many. You've got tattoos, you've got notes, you've got pencils, you've got a little baggie full of clips. I mean, what more could I want in life? It's just like, oh my god, this is all like it's made for me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that one. And I will see you next time. Take care.